Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka guku bururi-ini ni yugite Makiria ma arugamiriri ithurano 200 matikanyita itemi harĩ githurano turorete iguru ria gukuruhanio na ciiko cia guthoga maumirira ma githurano kia tariki 8 mweri wa kanana.
We have told our returning officers that they will need to give unfettered access to the media. They will need to also provide a draft form 34B and the final, so that they can be able, the media can be able to cover what is going on at the constituency.
Ndumiriri ino irekereirio ni kamishina Roselyn Akombe hindi ya kiungano na athurimi ithurano kuma guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi ari ithenya-ini ria kumatariria uria kamiti ino ihariirie gugatabania githurano kia gucokerwo gia president tariki 26 mweri-ini uyu.
We have addressed the irreducible minimums that were presented to us by NASA. We will also be making, you might have seen that yesterday we officially wrote to NASA. Is it yesterday or the day before yesterday? We transmitted what our response was to each of the various areas that they had raised. And we also intend to make that a public document.
Ni thutha wa kamiti ino gucabithia mutaratara uria ukarumirirwo kwanira maumirira ma githurano kia president. Ikinya ria mbere rigakorwo ari kurorithania maumirira maria magakorwo matumitwo na mitambo ya kiriu magicigo kia ubunge mari form ya 34B kana ni maringaine na maumirira ma ceceni cia wikiria wa kura nimo form 34A cia gicigo kiu. Kuringithania maumirira maria matumitwo na mitambo ya form 34A na form 34A yo nyene. Angikorwo form 34A ndigakorwo itumitwo na mitambo, form yo nyene niyo ikahuthika. Kuihuria kuria kwagirire kuihurio ni arugamiriri ithurano mbere ya gutaraniria form 34B ciothe. Gutaraniria maumirira ma form 34B ciothe niguo kugia na maumirira ma president wothe bururi-ini mari form 34C. Muikariri giti ekire kirore giake form 34C na thutha ucio arugamiriri ciama mekire irore ciao. Kwaniririo kwa muhotani na muthia muhotani anegererio certificate. Mwena-ini wake kamishina kuuga niugite ugitiri hindi ya githurano ni ugakorwo ugacirithitio guothe bururi-ini na oho akongerera mogaruruku watho-ini wa ithurano matigatharario hoti wa kamiti iyo gutabania githurano.
What I would want to appeal to all of us is to encourage the political leadership from all political divide to continue with the dialogue, because we have one Kenya. This is our country. Let's dialogue, continue dialoguing so that we can reach an amicable solution.
Maya magithiaga na mbere uria urarwira giturwa kia president na tigiti wa Third Way Alliance kuru wa Ukot ni acemanirie na maabitha kamiti-ini ya githurano akenda gutaririo maria kamiti ino yaiguithanirie na atongoria Jubilee na NASA ario marire feini mbere yake gwitikirio ni igoti nene gukahuranira giturwa kiu.
The orders of the court were very specific to the inclusion of just Ekuru wa Ukot as a candidate following the withdrawal of the NASA, and therefore our position is very clear that there should be 2 candidates only.
No na kuri oguo kamiti ino ni yugite ona mirurungano ya NASA igithiaga na mbere iguru ria kamiti ino ni rorete mateta mao ne gatacukia makinya maria magirire ona gutuika mangi matingicenjeka iguru ria kahinda karia gatigarite mbere ya muthi wa githurano.
And there are things we cannot be able to do. And Safaricom, that goes back to your question. Safaricom, I mean, let's be honest with each other. Safaricom is the main provider in this country. It is the main provider. Yes, there are other providers. It is the main provider.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita kama wa Mwangi.